Hi, welcome to another episode of Books and Cooks. I'm excited today to share with you the Sweet Home Café Cookbook, which is a celebration of African American food and food culture. The Sweet Home Café Cookbook contains recipes from the Sweet Home Café, which is located inside the Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture. The cafe itself is really an extension of the exhibits within the museum and features panels that explore African American food and African American food culture, which has influenced American food culture in a very big way. The recipes in this book are varied. There's over 100 recipes that feature regional influences as well as global influences. And the recipes are divided into 6 different categories, including sides and salads, main dishes, soups and stews, pickles and breads, basics, and sweets and drinks. So there's a lot to explore. Lots of historical notes and photographs accompany the recipes. And it was actually really hard to decide what to make today, but I did narrow it down to 3 items. I made the Senegalese peanut stew, which is in the soups and stew chapter. And Senegal during the colonial period was a big hub for the peanut trade. And peanuts were delivered to all colonial places in Europe as well as in the US. And of course, in time, the US became a big grower of peanuts. And this recipe is a riff on a traditional stew called mafe. I also made cornbread from the bread section, and cornbread is quintessential in African American cooking and in soul food, but it really pays homage to the gifts that Native Americans brought to African American food culture. And lastly, I made something from the sweet section, banana pudding. And this recipe is a traditional New Orleans style banana pudding, and really pays homage to the regional southern cuisine of the US. So I hope you enjoy watching this episode, and I hope you get a chance to check out the Sweet Home Cafe from the Prairie Public Library. And if you make anything, please let us know. You can share with your experiences on our Facebook page. Thank you.